Hey guys, d-piddy here. So I'm at the VIZ Media offices in San Francisco. I'm here to go shoot some stuff with them. I can't talk about it yet, probably announce what I'm doing with them later on. I want to give you guys a little tour of their offices. My boy Doraemon right here and Jotaro right here. Look, he's huge. Obviously there's some stuff I can't show you guys. Let's walk around and I'll show you what I can show you. Oh look, Saitama, check this out. So this editorial library is basically everything that VIZ Media has published. So you have Naruto, you have One Piece, all your basic shonen stuff, right? And then, you know, Yu Yu Hakusho, Prince of Tennis, stuff that I've never even heard of. This is called Legend of the Galactic Heroes. I think this is a novel. Yeah, it's a novel. This is all of VIZ's stuff that they published. Ooh, and they even have, I didn't even know Ico had a book. Look at this. I remember this game. Pretty rad, pretty rad. And Pokemon. Also, how rude of me. So let me introduce my friend Ryan here. So Ryan is the guy who I met at New York Comic Con for the Seis Manos promotion.
I'm the social media person.
Yeah, he's a social media person here at VIZ. Wanna tell us just a little bit more about yourself?
I've been at VIZ 4 years. I really like Junji Ito. Here's Tomie. I like horror manga. I'm really happy to have d-piddy here with us.
All right, cool. Junji Ito, good taste, good taste. All right, so yeah, he's showing me around, and yeah, this is pretty cool.
Are you gonna look for anything? Is there a series you want to hunt for? Do you like Naruto? What's your jam?
I love Naruto. Okay, guys, I always talk about how much I love Dragon Ball. It looks like they have all of Dragon Ball here. So
look at these are like the old ones, the VIZ big ones that a lot of kids had when they were younger.
Oh my god. This is the first one. Is this the one where he like meets? Oh yeah. He meets Chi-Chi and I found my treasures here, guys. This is pretty cool. They have all of Dragon Ball. So I am in like a top secret room here. This is like this. They have a bunch of stuff that no one's supposed to see. This is like, actually I've seen this before, but this room apparently has a bunch of stuff like they give out and a bunch of older things here. One Punch Man. Oh really? I'm in the newer area? Look. Some Zelda stuff over here, and just boxes and boxes of toys. There's toys up here. And then, I don't know, this,
Look at this Typeland Naruto deck.
whoa. Wasn't this at like New York Comic Con?
It was?
It was? Well, now it's going to my house. A lot of cool stuff here. Yeah.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, so I just finished shooting my stuff with VIZ. My flight is until like 8 and it's like barely 4:30. So I'm just gonna chill here until I have to leave for my flight. They were kind enough to let me use this desk space, so I'm just gonna be editing video while I wait till about like 6:30 or something. So yeah, I shot some really cool stuff. Can't say what it is exactly because NDAs and everything, but I can say it has to deal with Tokyo Ghoul. So I did some Tokyo Ghoul stuff. Whatever we shot is supposed to be for VIZ. I shot some pretty cool stuff. Ryan and the team said it's cool, but that probably won't go up until a later date. Yeah, I'm also whispering because I'm in the office, people are working. But they gave me some really cool stuff. Check this out. I got the limited edition Naruto skate deck. I remember seeing this at a New York Comic Con. Super limited edition. I also got a bunch of t-shirts. So I got a cool Boruto t-shirts. I got some Hunter x Hunter. Some Inuyasha. I got Dio Nendroid. So that's pretty cool. Let me open this up. Ooh. They also hooked it up with some hypebeast stuff. I got a Bathing Ape Boruto collaboration. Pretty sick. I didn't expect this at all. So yeah. I really want to talk about what we did, but I can't. So I won't. But you'll see it soon. And yeah. So I guess I'll be waiting for my plane ride back home to LA. And I don't know. That's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, take care. Bye.